Honorable Thomas Vincent Benecha, Honorable Charles Kaganda, Honorable Henry Onsinyo Ogoya, Honorable Abigail Martin, Honorable Michelle Keuma Moyo, Honorable Doris Nyamanga, Honorable Josephine Atunga, Honorable Abel Mokaya, Honorable Josia Mangera, Honorable Julius Atwere, and Honorable Minda VH, Mr. Speaker, and the sum of to be 11 members of experience, informed members, Mr. Speaker, who have law in their minds, and Mr. Speaker, seasoned politician of this honorable house. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, as those are the names that the
Honorable be adapted to the ad hoc committee to investigate on the matters of host workers and recent illegal employments by the county government of Nyamira. Will as many of the similar opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.